Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Murrey Math Indicator for MT4. All right. So if you're struggling to identify key support and resistance levels, then this indicator will change the way you trade. Now let us dive into how it works and how you can use it to refine your strategy. Now the Murrey Math Indicator is a custom indicator, so if you want to make use of this indicator, you have to download it from an external site, ensure that it's a reputable site, and then add it to your indicators library, after which you need to restart your terminal and then of course add it to your chart, just like I did right now. So this indicator is a technical analysis tool that helps traders identify precise market levels using mathematical calculations. As the name of the indicator implies, remember the name of the indicator is Murrey Math Indicator. So it's an actual math indicator, right? It does some mathematical calculations. All right. Now, this indicator divides the chart into 8 horizontal lines. Okay, as you can see, right? Divide the charts, okay, and these lines act as support and resistance levels. All right, the charts, these lines act as support and resistance levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that should be 12. 6 for the upside and 6 for the downside. All right, so now the indicator is widely used by scalpers, day traders, swing traders, right? The levels that the indicator presents provide traders with critical areas for trade entries, exits, and potential reversals, okay? And if you are a scalper, you might want to use this indicator to look for quick price reactions at key levels. If you are a day trader, you might need precise support and resistance for your intraday trading, and of course this indicator gives you important levels. All right, if you are a swing trader, you can use this indicator to identify long-term reversal points. So now, how does the Murrey Math Indicator work? The indicator is based on a mathematical model that divides price action into different levels. All right. So now you will notice that we have the extremely overshoot levels, right? The extremely overshoot levels. These are the extreme boundaries where price is most likely to reverse. Okay. Then we have the overshoot levels. All right, we have the overshoot levels where we might have, we might also have some reversals, which might not hold under strong momentum. Right, there could also be some reversal points, but might not hold on that strong momentum. And then we have the strong reversal zones, right? We have you can see the ultimate resistance, which is extremely overbought, and we have the ultimate support, which is extremely oversold. All right, so these are also strong reversal zones where price often stalls or changes directions. Right, now we also have the pivot reverse major. You can see here pivot reverse major as well. So this might represent some areas, some trading range area, and where price might consolidate most of the time, right? And then you have the top of trading range and you have the bottom of trading range. So this could be um, the most area of consolidation. Then the pivot point, I think the pivot point should be more of the balance level where price stabilizes. Then here you have the ranging zone. So each level provides a clear trading signal, helping traders make more informed decisions. If you are using the Murrey Math Indicator for MT4, here's how to use it effectively. Okay, when price reaches a strong support level, maybe like the extreme overshoot or the overshoot, or maybe the ultimate resistance or or support that is extremely overbought or extremely oversold. When price reaches such levels, a reversal is likely. Okay, for a buy signal, then we should be looking at the overshoot in the downside and the extremely oversold. So for a buy signal, you should be looking at price getting to the extremely overshoot or the extremely oversold, which is the ultimate support. All right, because when price gets to these levels, a bullish reversal is likely. So traders can enter a buy trade when confirmation signals appear. So if you get a bullish candlestick pattern around here or around here or around here, it could be a good cue to enter a buy trade. Then for a sell signal, when price reaches major resistance, perhaps around the extremely overshoot or the overshoot or the ultimate resistance or the extremely overbought, which is extremely overbought. So when price reaches either of these levels, right, it could indicate a strong it could indicate that a bearish reversal might follow afterwards. So you should be looking for sell signals and confirmation before entering a short trade. Now, if you want to trade breakouts, if price breaks above the extremely overshoot or below the extremely if price breaks above the extremely overshoot, the one up here, or below the extremely overshoot, the one down here, then it might indicate a strong trend continuation. All right, breaking below this could mean continuation to the downside. Breaking above this might mean continuation to the upside. So as a trader, as a breakout trader, you can wait for a pullback to the broken level. Maybe you have a breakout from this point. You can wait for a pullback to the broken level, and then wait for a confirmation. Right, confirmation candle in the direction of the breakout before entering your trade. But if it was a breakout from here, then you can just wait for a pullback and then a confirmation in the direction of the breakout, and then you enter your sell. So there are several reasons why traders should use the Murrey Math Indicator. One is clear market structure, because it helps traders visualize key support and resistance levels. Also, it works on any time frame. It's useful for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders. And it predicts price movement, based on proven mathematical calculations. And the indicator is easy to use. It has a simple interface that makes identifying key levels effortless. All right. If you are ready to add this indicator to your trading setup, just ensure you download it from a third-party site that is reputable. You can try out Indicator Spot. Then you go to your MetaTrader 4. You go to File up here. After going to File, you go to Open Data folder. You navigate to the Indicators folder, paste the indicator file, restart your MT4, and attach the indicator to your trading chart. You can also customize the settings based on your trading preferences. Okay, and just like that, you're now set up to use one of the effective indicators available. Right? It's not like it guarantees profit. Okay, it does not guarantee profit, but at least it could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. So this is it for this video, guys. If you're serious about improving your trades, you might want to consider adding this indicator to your trading toolbox. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more powerful trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.